Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arcane. This is the another video on pandas, and today I will show you a hidden gem in pandas. Right? It is incredibly powerful. That is eval method. Right? Eval is a method of pandas data frame through which we can perform column-wise operation just like writing a formula. Okay, eval method in pandas acts like a mini SQL engine. Okay, and within this eval method we are using in this video the argument in place equal to true. Actually it modifies directly the original data frame based on the expression we provide. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Using Python ideally, I will show you today's topic step by step. So let's dive in. So friends, I am just within the Python ideally, and here I am just show you the hidden gem in pandas, means the eval method, how to use and what the advantage this method in pandas is concerned, right? So at first we import the pandas module. So just write import pandas as pd. At first we just create the alias of the pandas named pd, and then we read the Excel file. So my Excel file is that the student underscore advanced. This Excel file contain this name Amit, Rupa, Tanmoy, like that, have some marks of the different subjects like math, physics, English, Bengali, geography, and at first we read the Excel data and then we load into data frame object. Okay, so in that way we at first write in that way df equal to, and then just write pd dot read underscore excel, means we read at first the Excel file, and the my Excel file store in my computer E drive ML folder. So just put this path in that way, e://ml// the file name is student underscore advanced dot xlsx. Excel file is concerned, the extension is xlsx. So double quote comma, then we use the open py excel this module. So just write engine equal open py excel, double quote open and then close, then parenthesis close. Okay, so means we just read the Excel file data and just load into data frame. Okay, now we use the eval method. Okay, how? Just like that, df dot eval, and then start the parenthesis and just write in that way within double quote total equal. Actually what happened, for my Excel file is concerned there have no total, no average, right? So we at first find out the total of each and every student is concerned, what the total marks for all the 5 subjects is concerned. Okay, but should remember when we use that, this particular column, the total, should add within the data frame, not in the original table. Okay, so just write in that way total equal, then we just add each and every column name like math plus physics plus English, like that, and should remember the name of the column whatever should put here the same spelling and same way. So just write in that way math plus physics plus English, then checked what is there, Bengali, and then geography. So Bengali then plus geography. Okay, double quote end. This is the column name is total. We find out the total marks for each student is concerned. Then put comma and then just write in place this particular argument and the value is true. What it actually does, this in place equal to true, this particular argument just comes with the eval method and it modifies directly the original data frame based on whatever the expression we provide. So here expression is that we find out the total. So within the data frame, automatically this total will be added as a column. It shows the total marks for each student is concerned. Okay. So this is the first line we already written into there. And now suppose we find out another expression using eval method to find out the whose total is greater than 400, right? So in that we just write in that way. We take a variable h underscore s equal, then just write df dot eval, and then just write in that way total greater than 400, double quote end, parenthesis close. Okay. Now you print the result, just write print, and then just write in that way student data with total marks. Okay, put a new line, double quote end, and then just write in that way comma df dot to underscore string. We already know to ignore the row indices, that's why we are using this particular method, to underscore string. Just write here index equal false. Okay, parenthesis close, parenthesis close. Now also print in that way, print, and then just write here, put a new line here, and then just write suppose total greater than 400, and then put colon, put a new line, double quote end, comma, and then just write in that way df within square bracket, just write h underscore s, this variable, square bracket close, then put dot, then just write to underscore string, same way ignore the row indices. So just write index equal false. Okay, parenthesis close, parenthesis close. Okay, so we at first find out the total marks for this student is concerned, which is not present in the Excel file because total is not given to there, but in data frame it should be given because it's modified by this particular in place equal to true, this particular argument we are using here with this eval method. So total, this column should be add within the data frame, right? So at first we save the file, just go to file and press save. Suppose put the file name pa10, the Python extension already know .py, so save it. If you run this code, just press F5. So just see what the result should show here. It will take some time to generate the result. So just see from there, it just all subjects marks with the total also display here, and from there we need to retrieve the total whose total is above 400. So only two students are there. Amit, yes, total is 413. Another is 425, which is Tanmoy. Yes, these two students just retrieve from there. Okay, so this eval method is very powerful and very useful method in Pandas module is concerned. So in that way we can evaluate the expression and we can modify the data frame using this eval method, right? Now go for the another example. Suppose we want to put the average also, means also there I have no average part is there, so we put the average. So this line is okay. Now we just put the average. In that way just write df dot, then just write eval, this method, and then we write in that way the column name should be average. So just write average equal, and what will be the average? Total by 5. Why? Because there is a 5 subjects are there, 1 2 3 4 5, so total whatever divided by 5 will be the average. So just write in that way total is already created, so just write total divided by 5, double quote end, comma, and then we just write same way in place equal true. Okay, so now we don't need to this one. So suppose we put the another thing, find out the average whose average is suppose greater than 82. Those students we want to retrieve. Okay, so this will be the another expression we put here. So now we write here student data with total and average, just write in that way, and then we just write df dot to underscore string. Okay, and here we also modify average greater than 82, average greater than 82, and same way the same thing, the df within square bracket h underscore s, and we will retrieve the those average just greater than 82, those student average. So save it, just run the code, just press F5. So just the same way, the total and with the average, this column is also added within the data frame, and also find out that whose average is greater than 82. One is the Amit, another is the Tanmoy. The same thing, these two people are there whose average is greater than 82. So it will come into there. Okay, if we change it, suppose we put here greater than 75, so the data should be changed. Save it, again run, press F5. So just see, yes, 4 students are there because this is the above 75, this is also the above 75. Okay, I hope you have understood how to use this eval method in Pandas. Actually, the hidden gem in Pandas is this eval method. Actually, this eval method in Pandas acts like a mini SQL engine. So you can put the expression, and on that expression it will modify the data frame. If you like this video, please like it. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Aeroplane for more videos. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.